Hi good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Ene. Today we are going to make a natural cleanser using two ingredients, cassia powder and water. I'm going to replace my CeraVe cleanser with this cassia cleanser. As I mentioned before, we only have two ingredients, cassia powder and water. Preparation: gather your cassia powder cleanser and a small bowl or container for mixing, or you can barely use your hand. Add water slowly, add a few drops, adjust the amount of water until you achieve a paste-like consistency. So for my case, I chose to use my hands to mix the cleanser. And guys, I really appreciate your support in my previous video. If you didn't watch how we made the cassia mask, please just go to my previous video and watch it. Thanks so much for your support. Help me grow my channel by sharing this video, like, comment and subscribe. Guys, please subscribe for more content. So what is happening here, you now rub your hands against each other so that the foam can form. So I used roughly 1 teaspoon of cassia powder and added drops of water until the foam was formed. If you will use a bowl to mix the ingredients, ensure that it changes from green to a whitish kind of mixture. So guys, if you're watching this for the very first time and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Comment down below, share to your friends, give me a like, and I will really appreciate. Help me grow my channel. For the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you for the love that you've shown me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. If you've never used the cassia powder before, ensure that you do a test on your hand. If it causes any sort of irritation on the hand after it rests for 5 minutes, please do not use it because it is not safe for your skin. Especially if you have a very sensitive skin, ensure that you do not skip that part of doing a test. So my good people, as you can already see, my cassia powder has formed a foam which is now ready to be used on the face. So massage it slowly and gently on your face on circular motions. Ensure that you apply all through the ears, the neck, so at least you have a thorough massage on all parts of your face. Don't forget to apply on the back side of your neck as well. We have several benefits for this cleanser. 1, gentle exfoliate. The powder can provide mild exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother texture. 2, it is used as a deep cleanser. It effectively removes dirt, oil and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. 3, hydrating. When mixed with water, it can maintain hydration levels, leaving the skin feeling so much refreshed. 4, it treats acne. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties in cassia powder, it helps soothe the existing acne and prevent development of new lesions. And due to gentle exfoliation, it helps clear away dead skin cells that can contribute to acne formation, promoting a clearer skin. 5, it is used as a skin tone. This is because it brightens. By removing the dead skin cells and impurities, the cleanser can enhance overall skin and brightness and clarity, leading to a more even skin tone. It also helps in reduction of dark spots. By using this cleanser continuously and consistently, it may help fade away the hyperpigmentation and dark spots over time, contributing to a more even or uniform complexion. 6, it is used as an anti-aging cleanser. This is because of the gentle exfoliating properties that helps remove the dead skin cells, promoting cells turnover. This can lead to a more youthful and appearance to reduce the visibility of the fine lines. Again, because of the improved texture, regular exfoliation helps to smooth the skin's surface, making it look firmer and more radiant. We have many benefits like being cost effective. A little goes a long way, often making it more economical choice compared to the liquid cleanser. Another one is it enhances circulation. The massage during application can stimulate blood flow, promoting a healthy glow. It has minimized preservatives. Powder form reduces the need for preservatives, making it a cleaner option. It contains natural ingredients, often made from natural components, which can be less irritating and better for a sensitive skin. It is used to balance the pH. The powder is formulated to maintain the skin's natural pH, promoting a healthy skin barrier. It gives it an advantage over other cleansers because of the versatile use. Can be combined with other natural ingredients like honey or aloe vera gel for added benefits tailored to your skin type. Regular use can help prevent clogged pores and breakouts, particularly for the oily skins. Therefore, it is used to reduce the breakouts. If you're using this as the cleanser, how often do you use it? Can you please comment down below? Tell us how many times you use in a day or how times you use weekly, monthly. Please let us know. If you have a normal skin type, you can use it in the morning and or in the evening, depending on your skin's needs and tolerance. For sensitive or dry skin, consider using it 2 to 3 times a week. Oily or combination skin may benefit from more frequent use, up to 5 times a week. Always listen to your skin. If you notice irritation, reduce the frequency. Using Quasil powder cleanser can contribute to a healthier and more resilient skin. Regular use combined with a suitable skincare routine can yield significant improvements in these areas, enhancing your skin's appearance and overall health. I used the excess to scrub my hands as well. After gently massaging your face for 2 minutes, please feel free to wash your face with lukewarm water and rinse with cold water. So after you dry your face, you go in with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. But for my case, I didn't have a moisturizer. Therefore, I only used the sunscreen. So please apply it generously to your face, all through to your neck. Massage it gently, please. Do not be hard on your face. Just be gentle. If you're watching to this point, please comment down below. Let me know where you're watching me from. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. It has good recipes and good skincare videos. So please consider supporting me by sharing my content.